What's up, people? It's Tim here, and in today's video I will show you how to use AI for mortgage brokers and how you can close more deals with AI. So if you're a mortgage broker, this is a really good platform for you. If you're someone that is helping mortgage brokers, this is also a good platform for you and good video for you. So the platform we're pretty much using here is called Appointwise. So Appointwise, for those of you who don't know, is #1 AI setter for coaches, agencies, mortgage brokers, whatever pretty much you want to do. It qualifies your leads, it fills your calendar, and it closes more clients so that you never have to basically chase any leads, okay? So in this case, what we're doing today is we're going to be building an AI appointment setter for mortgage brokers, okay? So if you're a mortgage broker, this is extremely useful for you. Also, as I said, if you're someone who's selling this to mortgage brokers as well. So if you go here to AI agents, you can create a new agent, okay? So when you're creating a new agent here, you can use a Copilot, which is kind of like a ChatGPT. So when it comes to this platform is you're essentially building an AI agent, a chatbot that closes deals for you, okay? So you can use a Copilot like ChatGPT to generate the AI agent that will do, this what you want to do, so close more deals. You can create a new or start from scratch here, or you can use a template. You can also import strategy here, but if you use a template here, you can go with pre-built templates. And as you can see here, you have, if you scroll down, you have mortgage, okay? So if you click on mortgage, we can select the template here. And as you can see, this is now the strategy that we're going to be editing, okay? Now I will break down exactly how this strategy works. So essentially, how this works is you can connect Appointwise with another software called Go High Level. I will leave both the links for these softwares in the description. Essentially, Go High Level is where you can store the leads. And as you can see here, you have a Go High Level tag. So this tag connects your AI agent to correct leads in Go High Level, okay? But you don't even have to have Go High Level for this. However, I would recommend having Go High Level for this because it will work much better. Also, if you want us to set this up for you, we can also do that. Just comment below. But as you can see here, we have step 1, which is instructions. We have the strategy name, which is mortgage. This is the thing you're going to see. Only you are going to see this. Go High Level tag is mortgage. Obviously, the tone here is friendly and casual. So obviously, we can change the tone to professional and formal, enthusiastic and energetic, empathetic and supportive, instructive and informative, persuasive and convincing. So we have like a lot of different tones, but this one is kind of the best one. And as you can see, if we go here, edit instructions, this is the main prompt of your AI agent. Okay, so as you can see, your role is you are an appointment assistant for a professional mortgage brokerage. You act like a warm, knowledgeable assistant whose job is to welcome new inquiries, understand their mortgage goals, and book them in for a consultation call. And as you can see, obviously you can change this however you want. You can also add disqualification criteria here. So for example, if a person doesn't have this, then just dismiss them, okay? Character limit, you can also adjust the character limit. Language, obviously here is going to be English. Typos per conversation, again, we can do like nothing here, so we'll just skip this. Personality traits, again, you can choose whichever you want. Empathetic, friendly, helpful, persuasive would be pretty much something I would choose here, okay? Now you save the prompt, okay? Now, one thing also for objection handling and for qualification, priority, and creativity, what I would suggest here is, changing this as you test the agent. So first test the agent, and then if this is too soft, then you can increase. If it's too hot, if it's too harsh, then I would decrease. But this is usually something that works really well. So that's something that I would leave. Also, one thing to note is you can later connect this Appointwise to SMS, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. So you can pretty much do this on all of the platforms along with Go High Level. Okay, so yeah, again, that's something I wanted to mention, which is really powerful. Next, if we go to conversation, this is where qualification questions come in and initial message. Okay, so this is the initial message. Hi, first name, like, hi, John. Thanks for getting in touch. Just to check, are you looking to buy your first home, remortgage, or something else? Okay, you can change it by going here. And then, for example, here you can say something like, make it more friendly, make it more conversational, make it more persuasive, right? Usually this is going to be quite good. However, if you want to change something, you can change it. You can either go here and just, start typing. You can either add a template as well. Here you can add a tags like first name, last name. This is all coming from Go High Level, by the way. And also you have qualification questions. This is important in your closing strategy, what you want to do. So as you can see, we have got it. We help a lot of clients with that. Can I ask you already own the property, or do you want to remortgage it? So as you can see here, we have that. We can obviously add qualification questions by going here and then adding them right here. One tip here is I would use ChatGPT if I don't have any experience here, and I would just fill out basically what the mortgage brokers are struggling with the most. Now, if you're a mortgage broker, you probably know this already. So yeah, you can just fill it in. Booking. Now, for booking method, right, when you want to book a call with that particular lead, you can do it through the automated AI booking. So if you have Go High Level, and again, I would suggest you use Go High Level. You can also check out some of our tutorials on Go High Level. You can actually go to Go High Level, and you actually have a calendar feature. So in here, you have like a calendar feature, as you can see. And here is the calendar. Now, one thing with the calendar is you can actually book the calls through a specific calendar, as you can see. So for example, I have here like a calendar. I can click on the calendar, and now whenever I send this to a lead, whenever a lead books a call with me, it will be on my calendar here, which is quite good, quite effective as well. So that's something you can do. You can also have a call to action and then just send your calendar link. So you can do this as well. I mean, without Go High Level. However, with Go High Level, this is a complete system, okay? Knowledge. Now, for the company information here, you can enter details about company. Here are some frequently asked questions. I would recommend you use these. So you have, what insurance companies do you represent, right? So as you can see, I have it here. So basically questions and answers. And as you can see, I have them all in here, okay? I can even add right here a question and answer. That's simple, okay? From there, I have custom tasks. This is something that I wouldn't be covering in this tutorial. However, you can also adjust this. Like, for example, when appointment is booked, what is next, right? Handle booking, turn off the AI. You can also add multiple different other tasks after this, like generate summary. For example, after the lead is complete, then you can add something like, ask the AI about the lead, or update custom contact field. And again, this is all updated in Go High Level. But if you don't have Go High Level, you can just ignore all of these right here. And then once you're done, you can hit save, right? If you hit save, as you can see, it will say recommended delay. So for the follow-ups, this is something I haven't actually talked about here. But let me actually go here. So here you have follow-ups on step 2. And this is the delay. So first follow-up is after how many minutes, how many days. As you can see, you can adjust this right here. Second follow-up is after how many days. So usually, 3 days would be enough. But if we save this, as you can see, it says first follow-up is after 3 hours. Then subsequent follow-ups should be 1 day apart, okay? Just keep that in mind. You can, again, based on your experience, adjust this. Hit save anyway. And then if you save and test, you would be able to test it, okay? So here you just click. And as you can see, I have a couple of those. A couple of the AI agents. I have for the mortgage one here, I start conversation. And as you can see, I can, just go here and start chatting with it. So as you can see, it says, hey, first name, because it doesn't know my first name. So for example, hey, Tim, thanks for getting in touch. Just to check, are you looking to buy your first home, remortgage, or something else? I am looking to buy my first home. I have $100,000 in cash. Oops, I actually misspelled this right here. But even if you misspell it, it's okay. That's exciting. Just to check, do you already own a property, or would this be my very first purchase? First purchase, as you can see. And then the AI agent will actually go and qualify me. Okay. Are you hoping to move quickly or just exploring your options right now? I want to move quickly. Okay. And as you can see, it will qualify me right here through the conversation. If I am a good a lead, then it will go and it will actually give the link. So as you can see, the best step is to speak with one of our mortgage advisors. They'll walk you through what's possible and the outline. Want me to get booked in? Yeah, sure. I have time tomorrow at 9 a.m. CET, right? So as you can see, it will actually go and it will essentially reply here. As you can see, it didn't reply. Failed to invoke handle booking after 3 attempts. Why? Because I didn't connect my Go High Level booking link. Okay, so you have to connect the link to be able to work it out. Okay, so before you actually deploy your AI agent, this is something that you should be able to test. If everything is good, then you can go and you can deploy it. Okay, here are some of the integrations as well. Obviously, most of it is through Go High Level. But as I said, you can connect to SMS, you can connect to Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Check out all of the links below. If you want like more detailed tutorial, check out our channel. And yeah, we'll pretty much see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.